Have you ever felt the crushing disappointment of a Canadian visa refusal, especially after putting so much effort into your application? You're not alone, but don't give up on your Canadian dreams just yet. There's a powerful tool called CGMS Notes that can help you understand the reason for your refusal and increase your chances of success in the future. Therefore, in this video, we'll break down what CGMS notes are, why they're important, and how to apply for them after a Canadian visa rejection. Let's begin with what they are. CGMS notes are detailed records maintained by the Canadian immigration authorities regarding your visa application. They include notes made by visa officers during the assessment process, correspondence between you and the immigration office, as well as any additional documents or information submitted. These notes provide valuable insights into the reasons behind your visa refusal and help you understand the decision-making process. CGMS notes can be likened to your transcript from the university, which outlines your performances and showcases where you are lacking. Let's now talk about why you need to obtain a CGMS note after a visa refusal. Obtaining a CGMS note after you have been refused a Canadian visa is essential for several reasons. 1. It gives you an insight into the decision-making. CGMS note provide clarity on why your visa application was refused. It helps you to understand the specific reasons for the refusal and exposes flaws in your application that you should work on in subsequent applications. 2. It helps correct misinformation. Sometimes visa officers may base their decisions on incorrect information or misunderstandings. CGMS notes can help identify such issues and provide an opportunity to rectify them. 3. It helps strengthen your future applications. When you are armed from the information from CGMS note, you can make more informed decisions and strengthen your future visa applications by addressing the concerns raised by immigration authorities. 4. CGMS notes can be valuable if you decide to seek legal advice or challenge the visa refusal through an appeal process. Before we talk about how to apply for CGMS note, it has come to our notice that of all the persons who watch our videos, about 60% are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are one of these people, we urge you to please subscribe now. Subscribing to this channel helps us and makes the YouTube algorithm bring up our videos to more people. We promise you that the more subscribers we have, we will keep bringing you better videos, loaded with even more interesting and free relocation information. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. Follow these steps to apply for the CGMS note. Step 1. Obtain the appropriate form. Visit the official website of Canadian Immigration, IRCC, at ircc.canada.ca, where you submitted your application, and locate the form for requesting CGMS notes. This form is typically available online and can be downloaded for completion. Next, complete and submit the form called ATIP to IRCC. You can do that via this link, bit.ly/4AFJGWI. Then after you have filled the form, you'll be required to pay a fee of $5 Canadian. Immediately after payment is made and your request submitted, IRCC will process the CGMS notes request in 30 days. However, every request is unique, and as such, in some situations, certain extensions might be taken for specific reasons. Once successfully processed, the IRCC will forward a copy of your CGMS notes to you by mail or via your preferred delivery method. After a Canadian visa is denied, applying for CGMS notes can offer insightful information about the decision-making process and assist you in organizing your next course of action. You can improve your chances of being granted a visa in the future by using the information from CGMS notes in conjunction with the measures described in this video. By being persistent and well prepared, you will overcome visa rejections and fulfill your dream of visiting Canada. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share with your friends and loved ones. Also, turn on the notification bell to be the first to know whenever we drop a new video. Please share this video.